Hi, it's Gina with WTI. Are you looking for an efficient way to cool, heat, dehumidify, or just have ventilation in your home? We knew a mini split would be the definite way to go for that. This one that we got from Comfort Temps ticks all the boxes. First off, this is a 23 SEER 2 unit. This means that it is highly efficient, highly cost effective for heating and cooling. We live in an area that gets down to about 18 degrees in the winter and can reach upwards of 100 in the summertime. This unit can handle both of those things without issue. We love how cold it gets and how warm it gets without being too loud. Noise bothers me, and so having this even on the turbo mode, notice that it's not even that loud. We generally keep it on the low mode though, and it doesn't interfere with the TV or talking. This comes with a complete installation kit. We were able to do everything by ourselves except for having the refrigerant balanced. That's something that needs to be done by a professional HVAC technician, but installation went really quickly. We were able to do everything in about 4 hours. Now, my husband has some limited electrical knowledge, but if you can read a diagram, wiring is not a problem. This comes with so many options to run it. It is completely customizable. It comes with a remote to control the unit, but you can also install an app. I won't get into every option, but we really like that it has 2 swing options and a setting that you can push I feel. I love that because I can have the remote with me, push that button, and then it actually reads the temperature where I'm at. We got the 18,000 BTU unit with 220 volts. This will accommodate from 550 to 1,000 square feet. And we're just so pleased with the area that it covers. This unit is so well made and it completely exceeded all of our expectations. If you need a mini split, get one from Comfort Temps, and that's our point of view.